Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to build a DeFi app, an ERC20 token transfer app from scratch. And this is a DeFi build. It actually includes smart contract read and write and token value conversion, which are the core of DeFi development. We are using Wagmi and ConnectKit for wallet integration. We support MetaMask, Fountain, Coinbase, and other wallets. And also QR code can scan. This demo is built on Sepolia. So we use MetaMask login. And we need to switch to Sepolia because by default, we are on Etherscan. So we change to Sepolia. And you can switch to any chain you like. Just make the change the config. With this app, user can check the balance of any ERC20 token. So I just gave in USDC here by default, and we can add another token, ERC20 token on Sepolia. So add this token, and token added successfully. And then we can change this, and also we can get the balance. For any ERC20 token, if the balance, we have balance here, and we can send to any address on Sepolia. So we use this MetaMask address, and we paste here. And available is 30, and the enter amount. If we can max, it will 30. But we try one chain link token, and we'll hit transfer. And it will processing the transfer. And then we can get the Sepolia Etherscan with this transaction. And this is a transaction hash. And yes, it will refetch the balance. It's 29. From this to this for one link token. That's it. Yes, and this is the address we already added. And for tech stack, we use Wagmi to send and write smart contract, get balance, and send token. This is important. This is the core of DeFi, I think. DeFi. Yeah, that's it. DeFi. DeFi. And ConnectKit for wallet connection. And Next.js, Tailwind CSS for the front-end and style, and TypeScript for type safety. And the BigNumber.js to convert a big int and a number with decimals. I think this is important. This is a core. Also, I think this is also the core of DeFi. And all this is in one build, in this build. And the source code is in the description. If you enjoy Web3 app like this, DeFi app or AI app or something else, make sure like this video, subscribe, and drop a comment. Let me know what kind of AI or Web3 or blockchain projects you like to see. All right, let's start building this app from scratch. And I already deployed the URL here. You can use this URL to test any ERC20 token on Sepolia to transfer and get balance and add a token. Wallet. Open the folder, open terminal. We use Next.js, and we go Next.js. not this command. At 14, because 14 is stable. The latest is 15, not stable, so we use 14 and dot. Go. All default setting. Okay, it's done, and COD. So open terminal and split terminal. npm run dev 3000 and remove this in homepage, save, and remove the class name and p tag, hello, and also remove the global CSS, just have tailwind and it's okay. And now we have this. And next, let's go Wagmi and WalletConnect. And we need to choose connect. Okay, you have many options. Okay, third-party libraries, and we need to choose one. But all the WalletConnect kit is almost the same, so we choose the first one. Is the connected kit and the same page, and get start. And we need to npm install this. Go. And next, we need API keys. You say WalletConnect SDK. Go this page and log in. Continue with Google, okay, and create a team. And we name it team 1, just me. Okay, continue. And use app on board user. What's the team I'm building? An app payment. Okay, DeFi. Create team. And add a project. My project name is wallet. What? Create. Copy this project key and paste it in env file. So we get this. Next, public WalletConnect project ID and paste the ID here and save this file. And next, we need to add Alchemy in this. So next, okay, and next is Web3 provider. This is important. Copy this Web3 provider and make a file. App components folder. Create a file. Copy the code. Paste it. Save. And this is a create config from Wagmi. Chain, we use mainnet and Sepolia. And mainnet ID and Sepolia ID. HTTP Alchemy is Sepolia. And we use Alchemy ID. Oh, yes, we said this Alchemy ID. That's enough. No. It's not this. And here, next public, I copy this. And next public Alchemy ID is this. How to get this ID in Alchemy? Dashboard. Project, test, API key. That's it. And this one. And it's same. Sepolia is this one. And is mainnet is the same one. And close the file, restart the server. And this one. But this one is the next public wallet project ID. It's in the env file. But TypeScript will say something wrong. So how to fix it? We const a WalletConnect project ID and we tell that it must be there. I'm sure it's there. So use this. And we use this, change this, and this TypeScript error is gone. And the name, you can set the name and the description, and this can customize by your own. And next is children TypeScript. And this one, React Node. I'm sure it's React Node. Okay. React Node from React. Okay, tab error is gone. It's perfect. And next we use this provider to wrap the entire tree, but we need to give a use client. This is important for Next.js. This is a use client. But in this file, they are not a use client, so it will give error. So they pay attention here. And we use client. So we go layout and wrap the entire tree. So we need a Web3 provider here. Okay, and this and import from Web3 provider. Save the file and close it. And that's it. And next, we use the ConnectKit button. The ConnectKit button here, go, and import from ConnectKit and save. But I think this is a client component. So let's see. And it will give error. So how to solve this? Use client. Use client. This is if you want to use this, it need to be a client component. So we got this connect the wallet connect and connect family. This is a family account. This is and this is MetaMask and Coinbase, and other wallets is the wallet connect and the MetaMask. You can scan and log in, and Coinbase log in by Coinbase. Perfect. It's perfect. And MetaMask. Okay, I try my MetaMask. Connect. Oh, connected. And we can switch to Sepolia and Etherscan. Change to Sepolia connected, and change to Ethereum connected, and can disconnect. And this button can customize the button. We use so first is remove this family. So in the doc here, customization, sign with, continue with family. So we give it this one, enable family false. in config. So let's try config. Okay, false. By default, it's true. And we refresh the page. And it's gone. And it's gone. And MetaMask, it will go MetaMask and connect. And it also can scan. If not, this can scan. And what was, customize this. Customize, use this. Customization, theming, and can choose the theme. So for example, I want to try this one. Just give the theme around it in this provider. Here, go. Nice, nice. Change the theme. And that's it. It's the wallet, Web3 wallet. And this component need to be a client component, but usually the page component is by default is server component. So usually put this component in header component and make header component is a client component. So components will create a header. TSX RFC header and client component. And import this from ConnectKit and ConnectKit button and return div sticky top 0 Z50 BD transparent flex items and justify between and give a p tag. Usually this is an icon and this is so it will push to the end. And page remove this and give a header. Okay, remove this, give a header. So it will push to the end. And this is a BG. And usually there is an icon. Use this icon. Use this to give an icon. And the component is ERC earning. We create a component. ERC20 TSX RFC. Okay. Import. ERC earning. That's it. Okay, and this is a very complicated component. So first, we need to import and make it a client component. Import so many. This is a client component. Import image, import state effect, and the Wagmi. We already have Wagmi and hero icon. Okay, we add this. Okay, npm install React hot toast. And toast. This toast need a toast provider. We need a toast provider. And all children can get the toaster. And toaster is from this. Should be a client component. And the toast provider need to wrap the entire tree. So layout. Import a toast provider. And toast provider. And the toast and the VM and the lib number. Go lib. We need to have a lib. and this number, we need to install this BigNumber or BigNumber.js. Okay, BigNumber.js to deal with big number and format and parse and toString and convert. This is the numbers. I think this is okay. Big number. I've got big number. Wagmi chain skeleton. Okay, it's a skeleton field for loading. It's a skeleton for loading. Just give BG and H for BG animate pause. Skeleton for loading and import. We should have this. And next is component UI input shed CN. Shed CN init. That's it, and shed CN install input. Skeleton. Skeleton loader. You should give this. And the React loader spinner. This is for loading tool. And this one we use it later. Yes, and I think everything should be done. What's this? It's declared but never used. Cannot find the correct bounded this way. Okay, this. I think tailwind. Okay, this is what I think we should do. Okay, it's done. It's done. Close. Yeah. So I deal with it later. And now we need to give a type token data. And give a state. Amount address, we use user account from Wagmi to get user account address. And the loading, select the token. The initial selected token we give USDC. This is a USDC contract in Sepolia. And decimal 6. And chain ID, we use chain ID from Wagmi. And we need to use contract from Wagmi to write contract. And is success from Wagmi to get the hash and the success state and input. So use read contract. To read the contract, when the component amount, we need to read the contract to get the data. And it is a selected token. The ABI is ERC20, the function is balance. And the ARC's address from account from Wagmi. So that is, we got the data. That means the balance. And next, if chain ID not equals Sepolia ID, we'll give please switch to Sepolia. So I think we should have this. No such files or directory. CMS. Are you kidding me? That's it. This is the header, and this please switch to Sepolia. You current on wrong network, so we switch to Sepolia, and it's gone. And the return ERC20. That's it. And next, return. So first is a div. We give a div. Should go this, and from is Sepolia to the work, and the icon is especially image. Got image, okay. And it should have the icon. Yes, that's it. And next is a token selector. And we use this token selector. And token selector is we pass selected token and set select token to the token selector. So we need a component token selector tsx rfc c go token selector. So first we import. No, we don't need this. And that we need the config later, but not here. And we get the function select token on select any. This we need to give a prompt. So what is token? Okay, nice, beautiful tab. And I'm gonna give a state initial token USDC, and input. We'll give this a value, and later we will remove this. And checking and handle add token we added later. And what is return? Is return it only like Are you kidding me? And now we got this select token. The initial we give USDC. Selected token we give to token selector, and token selector get this selected token. And we got the tokens is USDC. So the selected token equals the tokens. This one, the address is same, so we give is same. Otherwise, we give BG, other BG grade 100. And we can add a token. So we input an address. So we go Sepolia. So this is a token for chain link, ERC20 chain link token. So we add this token. Add a token. It will trigger the function here, handle add token, and we create this function. So this function is important. This is important. This is a big one. Save. What that means? It means if in the trim, so form event prevent default, and input address is this input. Default we set this value because this is a link token, and we can remove it later. And trim and start with 0x, and we continue and true, set checking true. If the token in the tokens, we give token already added. Otherwise, we'll give config and a contract. So we can act. We use the config here, and then we export this. And that means the mainnet and Sepolia, and we can get the Sepolia with Wagmi, and we can check the data and read and write the contract. So here it's done. And read the contracts. The contracts is address, link token address, and ABI, and a name, symbol, the symbol. And if it's success, we set tokens to add this token in the tokens, and we'll give it toast. So let's check the UI. It should work. Let's see. Give it a refresh. And this is USDC, and this is a link address. We add this token, and the token already success, and this is a given link. And if you click this, it will select the link. If added token already added, that's it. And now we can remove this. To give an empty string. So yes, that's it. And enter address. If not, start a link execute error. Okay, and that's it. Okay, and next, move forward. Token selector. What does this mean? This means if address and have selected token, we check the available balance. We format the data 0. What is data 0? Data 0 is the balance. This is data, and the first result is the balance of. And format this, and use symbol, and use the symbol to format, and get this. If not, we give a, if the fetch state not idle, we give a loading. And this one will trigger refetch. And where is the refetch? Refetch it from read contract to read the token contract and get the balance. And next is the input set amount is the max. Unclear was first we input the amount. If we click this max, it will set the amount to the max. Format this, get the max amount. So let's see the UI. Yes, that's it. The available balance is 0, and the refresh is 0. If we use this, I think we give this. Use this link token and add this token. We get this. It will get the balance of the link token. And next, move on. We need to give a to section. To section means input, set input wallet address and amount you will receive this token. We save this. We give it to wallet address. And last one is send button. The button we click, and it will trigger this function. Okay. Transfer. That is the button. If we not connect the wallet, it will show connect wallet. I think we should. Okay. Connect wallet. And please to switch to Sepolia. Switch to Sepolia. And we got this transfer, okay. And next is the function, handle transfer function. Handle transfer. Try set loading to read contract the select token address. We give it as link act. Otherwise, TypeScript will give error. String not type at 0 string. So we give this string 0x string. And ABI and function transfer. So the ABI, where is the ABI? The ABI. We have this ERC20 ABI and transfer and type ignore. This I give it type ignore and input and big int convert amount. Convert this, use the symbol and amount, and the use effect to listen. This is a listen. It's success and it's error TX, and this is the read contract can give this status. So If success, we give it success and give a TX hash. And we save this. And let's send the token. We use another. Copy this address. And no USDC, we add token checking. Hello. What do you mean? Skeleton loader. Okay. You should skeleton. Okay, it's done. It's done. And this is skeleton loader. This is skeleton loader. And we add this token link and two link. One, we will give wallet address to send to this, and we transfer. It will trigger the wallet. Sepolia 2 address from my account, and you send one. This is the token. Confirm. Processing. A nice view on Etherscan. That's it. Sepolia scan. And this is the one link for one link. And we refetch this, it will 21 link. That's it. Beautiful, beautiful. And we fix type ignore. I see. If not give this is input string is not enabled. Okay. Okay. Another max is will go 21. Okay. One another transfer. And then you can add any token here and transfer if the account have. And for network, you can switch to any network. Go. That's it.